I'm Amilia and today's weather is rainy, so I wanted to write a poem about how I feel when I play in the rain. The title of my poem is I am a little girl in the rain. I am a little girl so small, but in the rain I feel so tall. I twirl and spin with joyful glee. The rain comes down and plays with me. My hair gets wet, my hands are cold, but oh the fun, I'm brave and bold. I splash in puddles, jump so high, and catch the raindrops from the sky. The clouds are grey, the world is wide, but I have sunshine deep inside. With every drop and happy swirl, the rain belongs to the small girl. So let it pour, I laugh and run. The rain and I are having fun. Thank you for watching my video.